Hi, I'm Ashton here at Lancaster MG. I'm the internet specialist here. Today I'll be showing you this MG ZS exclusive 1.5 manual gearbox which we have in stock. Covered in Arctic white color, really nice. It's a brand new car in stock. We got this LED headlamps, daytime running lights, automatic as well. We got halogen fog lamps down there. Got 360 camera on this car. There's the front one that's done the MG badge. Really nice. You got roof railings on top, silver as well. Got these 17-inch diamond cut alloy wheels, which is nice and lovely. Silver door mirrors. Second alloy there. You got LED tail lamp. You got rear parking sensors along with reverse camera as well, which is just down there. So yeah, this car is brand new. Feel free to get in touch with our sales team if you want to know more about this car. I'll show you the boot space. Really lovely deep boot space. You can come, it's got 2 levels up there if you want to more higher up. Down here we got the tire repair kit and some tools. You can alternately put a spare wheel as well. Some storage spaces on both the sides. This car is brand new, so it's not been PDI'd yet. So that's why you'll see a couple of pieces here and there which are not on. So yeah, really lovely. Got a leather interior with red stitching on them. There you go. All 4 electric windows. You got a couple of USBs for the rear passengers there. Got blind spot detection system just down there. Got your windows up here. Your mirrors which do fold as well, and your locking system up here. It's nice and simple. Jump in, it's rainy outside, sorry about that. I think I've turned it off. So yeah, so the car's done just 10 miles, which is nice. You got your aircon with heated seats on both the sides for the passenger. Got navigation as standard, which is nice. Actual buttons which are nice and handy. Got a couple of USBs down there, 12-volt socket. You got your hill descent mode, traction control, 360 camera. I'll show you that. There we go. It shows I'm not in proper lane as well. So yeah, and you got a auto start and stop. We got a 5-speed manual gearbox, actual handbrake, and a couple of cup holders there. It does have Apple CarPlay and Auto. We just have to plug it down there. Yeah, Bluetooth as well. So yeah, so car's here with us. We'll leave it. Anyone with first come first serve, so feel free to get in touch. Thanks for watching.